So if you're receiving the no net feeding error, be sure to check your net wrap roll and make sure that there's still net on the roll. If there is, go ahead and check the green check mark, and we're going to manually start the net wrap again and see if it will apply. You can see the net start to feed. It's going to wrap around the bale. If it doesn't, so it's not feeding. So now we need to check the tension to see if the net wrap will feed. If you have gotten a net not feeding error, one of the problems could potentially be that your net is tensioned too tight. So at that point, we'd come back to the net wrap, loosen the jam nut, and turn the T-bolt handle 2 full rotations to loosen the net. At that point, you would hit start and try and manually wrap the bale again. While we're back here, make sure your net wrap is routed correctly. Always refer to the decal for proper routing instructions. One final check is to ensure that the net sensor is functioning properly. And to do that, we will go onto the cab, and on the monitor, we will hit the extend button to fully extend the net feed pan to release the brake. So if you look at the sensor, it has a self-diagnostic light on it. So if I move the sensor past the opening of the brake wheel, it will light up and the light will disappear once I get in front of the opening. That ensures that the sensor is functioning properly. If not, you may need to contact your dealer and replace the sensor. So those are a few adjustments that you can make to properly tension your net wrap. For more adjustments, refer to your operator's manual.